If you want to use voice access on Samsung Galaxy A27, then first of all, we need to open the settings. Once you open settings, you want to scroll down over here, and then we want to open accessibility. Now, once you open accessibility here, you want to proceed to interaction and dexterity, and then you should be able to find voice access over here. You can just tap on the switcher in order to turn it on. And usually if you turn it on for the first time, you have the setup. So of course, it is recommended to read that and to tap on agree. And then over here, you might want to receive notifications about changes to the app. So if you want to receive them, you can tap on agree as well and allow the app to send you notifications. Then over here, we have the instructions on how to activate voice access. So we can tap on accessibility button or use the chosen shortcut. We can also swipe down from the top of our screen and tap the voice access notification. So you can go to notifications and turn it on over here. And also you can use Gemini or Google Assistant to say, hey, Google, start voice access. So we're going to tap on done over here. We also have a tutorial, which is quite long and quite rich. But of course, if you want to fully understand how voice access works, then of course you can read it. You can of course grant all the necessary permissions. You might need to download the language, of course, so let's do so. And there we go. In my case, immediately voice access has been started. Now I'm gonna just close this over here. Here we have the basics. You can check that out. So if you want to, just tap on continue and check out the tutorial. You can reopen the tutorial if you just say open tutorial to your phone. And if you keep saying, if you have your speech going on and on and on, then of course the voice access is going to detect all of that. But if you just stay silent for a second, and once you have the feedback that it didn't understand, then you can say your command out loud. So in my case, I'm just going to wait for the voice access to be done, and then I'm going to use one of these commands in order to show you exactly how it works. So let's wait for that. Go home. And there we go. As you can see, it works straight away. I can just tell it to open specific app if I want to. So let's try that for now. Open settings. There we go. We have returned to settings. And yeah, you should be able to easily learn how to use voice access. It's pretty intuitive. You can also say stop listening if you wanted to, well, to do exactly that. So let's give it a try. You can probably also go to notifications in order to, to tap on the notification to pause, to stop listening, to make it stop listening. But in this case, I'm gonna use the voice command. Stop listening. And there we go. Now it is off. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.